Oh my god, my. Oh my god. Is that the? Oh my god, is that Reimu? Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, guys, today we're gonna do a really cool unboxing video. Like the best one. Okay, let's begin. I don't know how to stand on my phone. Alright, guys, I have just the tool to open it. I tried opening it earlier, but I couldn't. So I'm using the heavy duty tools. A kid's screwdriver. Alright, let's go. Come on. How do I stand on my phone? Yeah. Okay, I'll just hold my phone while I do it. There's a hole right here. Alright. Oh my days, guys, it worked. Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.